Thank you so much for having me here today. Welcome, my name is Mikhail Bledsoe, and thank you for joining my talk on the future of higher education. I'm looking forward to providing you with my vision for key functions and how they will align to this institutional set of goals and plans for success in higher education in general. Let's get started. On the topic of future of education, there are three main challenges that emerge from the research conducted in my studies at TWU. The first challenge is, of course, finance. Then there comes the educating a prepared workforce challenge. And finally, another thing that has emerged is facilitating the integration of AI into higher education. Recent crises in the United States and even globally have accelerated these issues by decades. The question for our leadership team are how can we creatively allocate funds so that our human resources, namely our faculty, our staff, and our students, are sustained? And how do we ensure equitable access to resources and education? And then how can we integrate AI into a more personalized learning experience that is customized and flexible for a changing job market, while also ensuring that all students benefit from these advancements and the use remains ethical and academically integral? And then how do we reimagine a higher education setting that works hand in hand with AI to prepare students for the future's occupational demands? So, how do we ensure that equity and access are woven into this process? School finance will be addressed by asking ourselves, how can we create a vision and gain trust and collaborate to access the support of all stakeholders in education? And this would include the government at the local, state, and federal levels, alumni and other donors, sister universities within the same collegiate system, community colleges and public schools, and accessing those available grants and scholarships, as well as contact our local businesses. A key part of this vision includes ensuring that financial aid and resources are allocated in ways that promote equitable access in higher education. Universities must be proactive in diversifying funding sources to support the financial sustainability of the institution, while also making sure that students from all backgrounds, especially those who are underrepresented, have access to the education they deserve. And universities are making a priority to help those students access those resources that are available to them. Therefore, investment in the human resources at universities will fuel that synergy necessary to reach sustainability. By prioritizing equity and access, we can ensure that no student is left behind. Now, as we outlined challenges facing higher education and talked about the necessity for financial stability, we can transition to how we can prepare the future workforce for the future of work. Okay. Now, the future work may not even revolve around traditional degrees as we know them, but instead they could revolve around a series of highly demanded, highly specialized certifications that streamline required coursework. Now, foundation knowledge is always going to remain essential, but much of what we teach as state of the art today may become obsolete in the near future. The future of work demands problem solving, communication, and collaboration in innovative settings. AI experts will shape and mold our future. Now, we can call these experts machine learning engineers, data scientists, AI research specialists, all of these different titles. And they will help contribute to provide students with the necessary skills to adapt and predict trends so they can remain competitive in the workforce. Now, these masters of AI will be those who are not only equipped with technical knowledge, but also with the creativity and collaboration skills ready to use AI effectively. Ensuring equity and preparing this future workforce means equipping all students, regardless of their background, with the tools, training, and opportunities needed to succeed. Closing this digital divide will be a crucial part of the university's effort to best prepare students for the workforce. So, the question becomes, how do we integrate AI into the learning spaces of universities? The integration of AI into higher education is not just a possibility, but it will soon be a necessity. AI offers a potential to personalize learning experiences, making them more tailored to individual needs, interest, and learning styles. Okay, so this flexibility is vital for students, especially those with learning disabilities or those with varying learning styles. And it is vital for them to prepare to enter a rapidly changing workforce that is going to be very customizable. AI will also play a role in enhancing equity and accessibility within education by providing these adaptive learning technologies that will support the students with different learning needs and capabilities to ensure that no one is left behind. So, collaborating with futurists, data specialists, and AI experts will allow us as educational experts to continuously innovate, adapt, and create an inclusive learning environment that benefits all of our students to help them achieve academic success. So, after we integrate AI, how do we enhance our student experiences? As higher education continues to evolve, we as universities and professionals must enhance student experiences proportionally in order to provide that holistic and engaging learning environment that is customized to their interests and learning styles. Therefore, personalized learning, which would be facilitated by AI, will help students explore their own unique paths and help them address their individualized needs. So, the future of education also lies in the ability to create virtual learning environments or even augmented virtual reality environments where students can engage in collaborative projects and build communities, even in online spaces. With these technologies, the globe is at their fingertips. And so we, as professionals, must ensure that these experiences are accessible to all students, regardless of their socioeconomic background, by providing equity to the access of technology, while also making sure that they are able to responsibly navigate and ethically utilize these technologies. Therefore, universities must also focus on fostering creativity and collaboration, ensuring that the students gain these skills necessary to thrive in the future job market that they choose. So, collaborative solutions for higher education. The future of higher education will depend on collaboration across multiple stakeholders. Partnerships with faculty, students, alumni, donors, government agencies, businesses, and technology experts will be crucial for ensuring that financial sustainability that we talked about, while also making sure that there is a personalized, equitable learning experience and students are effectively being prepared for the workforce. Now, these collaborative efforts will allow universities to be innovative, which usually aligns with universities' strategic goals, and will help prepare students for the future of work, also in line with strategic goals, and ensure equitable access to the future AI enhanced learning tools. Therefore, universities must be proactive in securing and then developing and fostering these collaborations with the stakeholders. In conclusion, higher educational institutions have a critical role to play in addressing the challenges of ensuring school financial sustainability, preparing students to be workforce ready, and also ethically integrating AI by involving all stakeholders in the university, from the top to the bottom, from the inside community to the outside community. We can inspire a shared vision for the future of education. Financial sustainability will come from partnerships and access to diverse funding sources. Workforce readiness will be ensured by customized educational offerings that align with the market demands. And AI will be integrated in ways that promote equity, access, and customized learning experiences, personalization for all students. The future of education belongs to the innovators. Higher education must adapt and innovate to meet those challenges, ensuring that every student has the opportunity to thrive in a future shaped by AI and evolving workforce demands. At this time, I stand ready for any questions or any points of discussion that anyone would like to contribute or ask. Thank you so much for allowing me to talk to you today about the vision for the future of higher education and the challenges and trends that we see are going to be integral to higher education in the coming future. My name is Michaela Bledsoe once again. You can reach me at this email address if you have any questions, and I look forward to talking with you all at the end of this discussion. Thank you.